In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make FiveM full screen. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So if you open FiveM and it doesn't automatically open as full screen, then this video is for you because I'm going to show you how to fix that. So firstly, I'm going to close FiveM, and to fix this, we are going to go to the Windows icon right here and go to the text field at the top. Now search for %app data percentage, and you will see this folder right here. So once you are here, we are going to search for the Citizen FX folder, open it, and you should find GTA 5 settings.xml. So right click it and click on edit in Notepad, or if you don't see it, go to open with, choose another app, and search for the Notepad right here. Now right here, we need to search for some specific values, which are the screen width value and the screen height value. So right here, we need to put our screen resolution. So if you don't know your resolution, all you need to do is right click the desktop, click on display settings, and scroll down until you see display resolution. So in my case, as you can see, the recommended resolution for my screen is 1920 by 1080. So that's the value I need to put on the settings. So I can close this. And as you can see, this value is correct already, and I need to put 1080 right here. So click on File and click on Save to save the changes. And now I'm just going to close everything and open FiveM again. So that's it. As you can see, FiveM is now full screen. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.